Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We're going to start it off today on a monthly on Bitcoin, showing you a few things such as how on the RSI we're sitting at the 50-point level. We're a little bit above the 21 with a little bit of pullback potentially on the monthly. If we get a pullback to the 21, which is at 28,300, that should not be a surprise. And that's something that we'll be looking for the end of this month for a test of that level. So just be aware of that. That was a quick thing I wanted to show you. Now let's go take a quick peek at the weekly. On the weekly, you can see that we are already in a second week of pullback. Our level of support here is at around 28,000-ish. We shouldn't be surprised for a pullback into that 28,000 within the next week or two. Finding support there going sideways is good. Then after the month is over, if we look for that support at that level, we can look for continuation upside from there. It's already looking good because we're above the 200 EMA, and all the EMAs are above the 200 EMA, finding support at this level. So that is a very good sign of strength for upside continuation as long as we can hold that 28,000 on weekly open and closes. So just keep that in mind. Now let's go to the daily, which is what we should be expecting when we open up today. And then on the daily, you can see that we're already testing into that 29.5 area once or twice last week. Coming back into that level should not be an issue. It's losing that 29,500 on a daily close on CME that the issues start coming. Worst case scenario, we have that support here at the high, low 28,000, like 28,100-ish. And that's the monthly level that we're looking for anyway, and the weekly support. So all in all, 29,500 is your warning sign. Losing for any kind of higher time frame open and close underneath 29,500 gives you the risk of coming to test into that low 28,000 for the end of the month's close. And then if we can hold that level, we can make this nice little inverse head and shoulder and look for upside continuation as soon as the month is over and the new month begins. And that is going to have to correlate with Dixie, allowing that to happen as well. But we'll cover that on tomorrow's video. Now let's go to the monthly on ETH and analyze that going backwards. So here's the view back on Bitcoin. Now we're going to ETH. So here is ETH on the monthly. You can see that the 21 EMA is doing a good job of keeping us at bay. We're consolidating between that 1685 and that $2,080 level, which is to be expected. Coming back and testing into that 1685, $1,700 level should not be a surprise by the end of the month this month. Basically testing the wick that we had last month to show you, hey, the support is there. Now going to the weekly, you can see that we are sitting right on the 21 EMA. We do have bearish divergence, which is dictated over here as well. But these highs almost being equal and this big of an angle is going a little bit of a bearish divergence. It will confirm after the weekly opens. And if we can open above this level, that'd be great. But if next week opens underneath 1850, and then we have a close under 1850, almost 1800, that will confirm this downtrend. And then we can go test into like support of 1620 or even 1400-ish level. So be aware of that moving forward. As of right now, if we can open up the week and close above that $2,080 level, we can look for continuation to test into the resistance at 2150. And then after 2150 is claimed, we can look for that next gap fill over here near 25. So after that 2150 is claimed, I'll be looking for around 25. I don't know why I have all my charts naked, but that's fine. Next time I'll show you guys all the stuff like fibs and stuff that I have pulled up on this. Go to a daily, and this will basically conclude what we're looking for into this week. And this week we're gonna have jobless claims again at the end of the week. That's gonna matter as we're gonna be coming into the federal rate decision time. Here is the daily on ETH, and it's showing you that we're sitting right on support If we lose this support, it is going to probably be a little bit deeper of a downside move. Here, let me bring this up. A little bit of lag. So as you can see, we are sitting on the 21 EMA right now on the daily, which is 1870. We have support at 1840, which is what we bounced off of the 55 EMA. If this week opens and we lose that daily open and close in that 1880 level and we start testing into the 1840, I would be very cautious of actually coming back into that 100 EMA, 200 EMA range, which is around 1770-ish, and testing that level for further upside. But if Bitcoin loses the level of support, and I believe ETH is a little bit weaker right now, it will probably just trickle on down and test back into that 1660 area and 16 low $1,600 area, and hopefully make a higher low so we can continue this uptrend. This uptrend is intact right now, and as long as we can hold it, that's great for us to basically look to test up higher into the resistance all the way over here at like 23, 2400 on ETH. So that's basically all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend. Right now, we are testing out BitGet platform, so feel free to check out the BitGet affiliate link below. It is very neat. They are accurate with price-wise, like somewhat they are decent as compared to Bybit because they have volume. I like the little exchange features with the slider and the little noise that hits every time you actually execute a trade, which is great when you are multitasking. So give them a try. And then if you guys have any other questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. And then other than that, if you guys are interested in just leaving me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification, I would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. And yeah. Tell me how your weekend is. Leave a comment below. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.